It's rare to visit a website that doesn't have something integrated into it. Whether it's the way you sign in or how you check out, integrations are the foundation of a successful customer experience, but rarely do they get the recognition they deserve. Let's change that. Hi, I'm Bruce Walker, and you're watching BotSplash TV. Integrations are simply when multiple systems or applications are combined in a way that makes the customer or user's experience better than using those same systems separately. One way to think about it is if you went to your favorite shopping site and the first thing you had to do was to open a separate window or app to sign in. Then you gave that app permission to go to the shopping website. The shopping site might ask you to open a new window to look at certain products because the manufacturer wants their products displayed a certain way. Oh, you want to zoom in on it? That's another application. Want to get your size? Another app. Shopping cart? Yep. Checkout? Yep. Track shipping? You get the idea. Integrations make the entire process smooth and easy through API calls, so the platform maintains a seamless experience, whether that's buying shoes online or applying for a mortgage. BotSplash integrates with multiple systems, including CRMs, LOSs, pricing engines, and more. Single sign-on removes the burden of having to log into multiple systems, allowing for a stress-free experience. So when you are considering integrations for your workflow, don't be afraid to connect. Odds are your workflow is about to get easier. For more information about how BotSplash can make your workflow easier, check us out at botsplash.com or hit like and subscribe for more information like this. I'm Bruce Walker, and thanks for watching BotSplash TV.